Straight down, here you go. I think this is our container. Yep, Maersk. That's ours. Hey, so you're gonna go that way so that we can pull the forklift up to unload it into our area.
Other dad's always got a high-vis vest. He's like, we're not gonna let anything happen today. Hell yeah.
Perfect timing, we unloaded everything else.
Sounds good, sounds good.
What's going on, man?
Hey, good to see you, sir.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, do we need the drill?
A hammer or the drill? Probably both, just because it's hard to get the drill where it's at. But last time we were able to just smack the thing.
I got mini mule in here right inside.
Yeah.
Mini mule in here.
All right. That's your job.
Yeah, can you imagine?
Those JDM screws.
It went.
I was about to say, dude, as soon as you say something, fucking screws like, I ain't going nowhere. Yeah, if you just want to let that motherfucker coast. No, I think this should do it.
Yeah, as long as you keep it straight, cause
Yeah, just keep it straight.
Daryl's the one that's gonna fly down the middle.
Yeah. You're ride the brake.
Yeah, sorry.
Straight down, here you go. Yeah, keep going.
That's amazing.
We're good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. You're good. You're good. You're good.
We definitely can't fit the second.
That's as far as it'll go. I think it's hitting the other one.
I hope somebody caught that on camera.
I have it.
Because that was sketchy as fuck.
Yeah, I caught it.
It does not. It looks like it wanted to, but I don't think the battery has enough juice.
Oh, yeah, that's right. This is recording.
It's free.
All right. And mini mule in here.
You want to drive this one?
If it'll start. You want to come and
Give it a crank.
no, or yeah, that'll work. I'll put the jump starter on it. All right, go for it.
Thank you, sir.
And can you hold these?
Glad brake worked.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's what you said.
Ugh, if I can get it open.
That's cool. What car are you putting those in?
I think this one's going to the Jimmy. I don't sell it. Well, only one of these is mine. This one. Completely, yeah, completely refinished.
That's stellar.